Hi, my name's Syed. I'm from a research organisation called Energy for London. It's picking up on something that Martin said about some of the pressures on the distribution network as a consequence of large solar installations coming forward outside of London. The new Sustainable Development Chair for London, Greg Barker, said London needs a solar revolution. If we do move to an awful lot more solar on rooftops in London, what challenges does that bring to both your businesses, really?
In order for London to accommodate its population growth, it needs to densify. The places where densification is possible, are they also the places where energy supply is easy? Are they also the places, Des, where construction is most feasible? So if you could pick up the question about solar and the question about densification, we'd love to hear what you think.
I thought you promised me easy questions. I'm not sure either of those qualify as easy questions.
We didn't promise you easy questions.
You didn't promise me easy questions. No. I mean, I think what I say around kind of densification is I think I need to pay credit to all the people who've gone before me. We continue to seem to find creative ways to create the electricity capacity in London, and when you kind of see that chart that I put up, and just kind of exponentially how dense some of the intensity of energy uses in some areas of the city, it almost seems incredible that we can have found some way to accommodate that. But we have, and whilst I can't give you a firm answer, is there a correlation between kind of the great opportunities and where we should actually encourage more development, and is there infrastructure spare there? Can't give you a direct answer to that, and there probably isn't a single answer to that, but I am confident that we will continue to find creative ways to kind of do that, and we must have done to have got as far as we have. And solar, I think you're absolutely right. I think we need to prepare ourselves next for kind of the next part of the solar revolution. I think both kind of government, I think we're doing really well on renewables in total across the UK. Around about 20% of our electricity is now coming from renewables. I think some of the fine-tuning you're seeing DEC doing is beginning to encourage rooftop space, and less so perhaps mine and yours homes at home, but actually, what can we do with commercial rooftop space? So we're gearing up, and we understand that will be the next challenge, and particularly relevant to London.
Thank you, Martin. Des, your views, the solar revolution and densification?
In terms of densification, then obviously working in the centre of a city of London brings its challenges in terms of the logistics of creating particularly high-rise buildings, which seems to be the way to go. Everybody's going up. So I think the issue here is, challenging convention is also about how do we tap into digitisation, industrialisation, and these new forms of construction techniques, which also feature into green. So the use of building information modelling, BIM, the use of 3D printers, the use of robotics, the use of off-site prefabrication, so a plug-and-play approach to the way that we create future buildings, but really focusing on air quality, light quality, and energy consumption and energy production. But a holistic view to how you create those buildings is really the challenge for that.
Thank you very much indeed.